Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be sharing with you a review of this Chanel 19 bag after owning it for 2 years. I'll also show you what fits in this bag as well as the 5 ways of carrying this bag. This bag was first launched in the Fall-Winter 2019 collection, and that's where it's got its name from, the Chanel 19 handbag, and it's also created during the Karl Lagerfeld's time. It's been 2.5 years since launch and it continues to have a huge popularity around this. It comes in 3 sizes. This is the regular size. Some people call it the small, and on the website it's just called Chanel 19 handbag. There are 2 other sizes that are bigger. It's called large and maxi. And it's also come in several materials so far. This one I've got is a lambskin. They also have it in goat skin. I don't really see that. I think it was when it was first launched. They also have it in like fabric or tweed material. They try to be quite creative when it comes to this bag. So when you go onto the website now, you will see in the various colors and sizes, different variation of tweed. I personally like this lambskin one a lot, and even though it's lambskin, it feels very treated and thicker than the regular lambskin that we see on the classic flat bags. It really feels hardy and solid, and at the same time it's got this soft and squishy and pillowy effect. What I really love about this bag is that it embodies the key features of the Chanel designs. It's got the diamond quilted design as well as this huge CC logo, and I love that it's got 3 hardware. It's got this antique gold hardware. It's also got the silver hardware as well as the ruthenium hardware. So it really gives it a very edgy and cool, chic vibe. Yeah, and I really love it. This is definitely a bag that I reach out to very frequently, and I've been using it quite a lot, and I do not see any wear and tear. There are no scuffs. The corners look really perfect. Yeah, I really love it. The Chanel 19 handbag is definitely of a soft and relaxed style. It's very squishy and pillowy, definitely not as rigid as the classic handbags that we have. What I did was, when I got this bag, I also got this Zoomoni organizer, which really helps to maintain the shape and the structure of the bag, because I also wasn't sure how this bag is going to wear after a while. And so far, even when I store the bag, I would just leave the organizer within the bag, and yeah, it looks like it's keeping really well. And so I do recommend an organizer such as this. Let's go ahead to see what fits in the Chanel 19 handbag. I have my medium classic flat bag here, and it's currently filled. So it's filled very nicely, not too packed. I don't usually like to pack my bag too tightly because I just want to make sure that I maintain the shape of the bag. So I'm just going to put these items from here into the Chanel 19 handbag. So yeah, let's go. Okay, let me bring out the Zoomoni insert and just put this aside for now. I'm just going to go ahead to transfer the contents. I've got an LV Victorian wallet here. It's going to go in there, and then my Chanel card holder. It's just in here. I've got a reusable foldable bag. My hand sanitizer. My hand cream. Got my tissue pouch. Wet tissue. I've got this cute little pouch that comes free with this Zoomoni insert, and I use this to keep my lipstick. So this one just goes in there. Okay. Lastly, my car keys. It's gonna go on the top. And yeah, it's empty now, my classic handbag. So let me put the bag aside and bring in my Chanel 19. Just gonna put this entire thing back into my Chanel 19. It fits really snugly with still a little bit of space on the top. What I really like about this bag is the back pocket. Oops, it's a little bit fat. Let me readjust my items. So There you go, and then car keys on the top. Really nice and snug. And what I really like about this Chanel 19 bag is the back pocket that comes with it. It is so useful, and this is where I usually just slip my iPhone in and out. It's really useful. I use it all the time. I put tickets, I put my iPhone without having to open the flap. There you go. I'm 160 centimeters tall, which equates to 5 feet 3 inches. And there are 5 ways of carrying this bag. This is the first way, just using the top handle, just like so. The second way would be on the crook of my arm, which I really like to use this way as well, because I just find it really edgy and elegant at the same time. The third way would be on my shoulder, just like that, and it sits really nicely at my hip. And the fourth way would be a crossbody bag, which is my favorite way of using this bag because it is just the most convenient. You've got your hands free, and I've got the bag at the front of me, so I just find that I'll be able to protect this bag better and not bump into things or other people. And the last and final way would be to put these chains all back into the bag, just like that. And carry it like a clutch. Just like that. 5 ways of carrying this bag. This is how it looks like side by side with the classic double flap, which sits slightly higher. Bag is definitely more modern and trendier than the classic styles like the Chanel Classic flat bags. And would I recommend this bag as your first bag? I definitely do. It's been with me for 2 years now, and I still like the style. I'm not sick of it. I really still grab it, and it looks really nice on any outfit. We've come to the end of this video, and I hope that you found it useful when deciding whether or not you should be getting this Chanel 19 bag. And if you do like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Do subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell below so I'll be able to see you in the next video.